If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE have dual app feature, then the answer is yes, you can easily clone apps or duplicate apps. And in order to do so, you can go to settings, and over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find advanced features. Now over here at the bottom, we have dual messenger, and some apps can be easily duplicated just by tapping on this switcher. However, some apps cannot be duplicated like this. For example, I have Instagram and I cannot duplicate it with this. So the second way to do so is by using the secure folder. You can set up a secure folder and you can add these apps so that you can get second versions, like separate instances of the same app. And in order to set up the secure folder, you just have to go to settings, then security and privacy, and then over here we're gonna go to more security settings, and here is the secure folder. If you go over here for the first time, you'll need to wait a couple of seconds to let the secure folder create itself, and then you have to set up the password, and then you should have access to the secure folder. You can also create home screen shortcuts for apps that you have inside the secure folder.